Hey, good afternoon. Woody here with GMR Metal Roosting Construction. Today you can see we're out here in beautiful Lakewood Ranches. A beautiful view we get to see all around here. Multiple houses here. This is one of the first stone-coated steels going in this cul-de-sac here in Lakewood Ranches, which has been approved by the HOA. This panel we're installing is a terracotta queen style. It's a 26 gauge stone-coated steel. The nice thing about queen style is a very, very heavy 26 gauge panel. It's got a nice, beautiful high roll on it. We're going to end up putting about 15 screws per panel in this panel, which gives us 152 pounds per square foot. So 320 mile-an-hour winds this panel will succeed, and at that point the plywood's coming off the trusses anyways. So on this queen style panel we lay it right to left and 15 screws per panel, put on our 2x2s for our bend up on our hips and ridge. You know, any of these specialty products, Lakewood Ranches, Sarasota, Manatee, anywhere in the state, find us, like us, and follow us here at GMRFL for all of your roofing and construction needs. So thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye.